Good morning, students. Myself Bhagwati Prajapat, and I am your maths teacher. Today's date is 23 of July 2020. Now, question number 1, find the sum. You have to solve in your book, page number 24, and this one is your homework. This one is your homework, and you have to do in your book. Now come on page number 25 of Cordova book. Question number 2. Fill in the boxes with the correct digits. That means we have to find out correct digits. Question A is classwork and B is your homework. Let's do. We have 1 dash 1 and 6. That means we have to find which number will be come here. So 1 and 1 2, and if we will subtract from 6, 2, then what number will come? The number will come 4. Now we can check our answer also. 1 or 1 2 and 4 6. Yes, we have right. Now again we have 2 and 9 will become 11 and 1 12. Okay, and we have 1 carry. Next we have to find out 1 9 or 1 9 or 1 10 and 10 or 1 11 and we have to subtract from this. That means this is our 4. We have to add. Now we have here number 11, and what we write here, that it will become 14. What number will come? Yes, the number will come 3, because if we will add 3 it will become 14 and we will put our carry. Next we have 5 and 1 6, 6 and 1 7. What number should become here, that if we will add that the number will come same. 7 में हम क्या ऐड करें कि हमारा नंबर 7 आए. दैट मीन्स 0. अगर हम 7 में 0 ऐड करेंगे, व्हाट नंबर विल कम 7. सो वी विल ऐड 0. चेक आवर आंसर. 1 and 2, 2 और 5 7. 7 में 0 ऐड करेंगे 7. Okay, now come on, next we have 6 here and 2. 6 and 2 8. 6 and 2 8, and we have 1 here. We have a small number here, so that means it gives a carry to next place. That means this was 11. So what we will do, we will subtract 8 from 11, because we have had 6 and 2 8. So we will subtract 8 from 11. The number will come 3. Next we have, and we will add our carry also, because it will become 11. Okay, now next we have 6 or 4 will become 10. 10 or 1 11. Now we have here 11 and here 6. That means this was 16. So what we have to add in 11, that comes will become 16. So we will add 5. Now check our answer. 5 and 1 6. 6 or 6 12. 12 or 4 16. This was 16. So put our carry. Okay students, now 4 and 1 5, we will subtract from 8. 5. What will become? Yes, 3. And what we will add here, that 4 will become. We will add 0. You can write here 0 also. Okay student, this was the question 2. Now question number 3, 4 and 5 is your today's homework. Now come on question number 6. Question 6 is, in an election means हम कोई भी election करते हैं. Okay, candidate A, we have candidate A got 2,36,465 votes. That means 2 candidates है, वो क्या कर रहे हैं, इलेक्शन कर रहे हैं. और एक A ने got किया, A got 2,36,465 votes more than candidate B, यानी B से ज़्यादा वोट्स मिले. ठीक है. इफ कैंडिडेट बी गॉट 43,45,400 वोट्स, यानी बी को कितने वोट मिले, 43,45,400 वोट्स. हाउ मैनी वोट्स डिड कैंडिडेट ए गेट, ए ने कितना, ए को वोट्स कितने मिले. लेट्स डू. ओके, now question number 6 we are doing in notebook. Before that, this is our class work. Question number 1 you have to do in Cordova book, page number 24. You have to do in your homework. Now question number 2, do in Cordova book, page number 25. Now come on question number 6. We already study about question number 6. What was the question number 6? We take an example, easy example for explanation this question. Okay, if ma'am took a test in class and first student got 10 marks more than B, यानी सेकंड स्टूडेंट से ज़्यादा मार्क्स लिए, कितने, 10 मार्क्स ज़्यादा है फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट के सेकंड से. और सेकंड स्टूडेंट के कितने आए, 5 मार्क्स आए. ठीक है, सेकंड स्टूडेंट्स के कितने मार्क्स आए, 5 मार्क्स आए. तो फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट के मार्क्स कितने हैं, हाउ मैनी मार्क्स. ओके, what we will do addition, because first student got more marks 10 and second student got 5 marks and first ने more किया. ठीक है, तो what we will do addition. In like that this question also, A got 2,36,465 votes more than candidate B, B से ज़्यादा लिए. और B के कितने हैं, 43,45,400 वोट. ओके, सो what we will do addition. B got votes, B को कितने वोट्स मिले, this one. ओके, एंड A got more votes, A को कितने ज़्यादा वोट्स मिले, these. ओके, एंड we will add. ओके, 5 plus 0 5, 0 plus 6. We can change order in addition also. Yes, this is properties. Okay, now 4 plus 4 it will become 8. 5 plus 6 11 and 1 carry. 4 and 1 5 and 3 8. 3 or 2 5 and 4. Thus votes got by the A, candidate A. A को कितने वोट मिले, 45,81,865. Okay student, this was the our activity 2. Remaining activity 2 we will do in our next class. Okay students.